Welcome to the problem with gifts, Module 11, how to deal with gifts and receiving gifts. Gifts to students, fundraising incentives. Fundraising gifts should only be given to students who participated, should be age appropriate, and not affect the overall profitability of the event. A good rule of thumb is the 5% of all profits line. Incentives should be purchased with funds raised by the particular group that will be receiving them. Gifts that aren't related to fundraising should be given to all students indiscriminately. Gifts to students' special achievement awards. Gifts and awards should be nominal in value and age appropriate. Funding for the awards may come from the general fund, donations from businesses or parent groups, or in the case of sports awards, from the athletic fund. Gifts to staff, a remembrance fund created to remember staff life events such as wedding, a new baby, funeral, etc. Governed by written policies, dealt with by committee, collected from dues paid by staff or fundraised specifically by staff. Managed by committee, meets at least once a year to review, and members rotate yearly. Gifts to staff, all gifts. Encouraged to use funds generated by the staff. Some districts allow money from the general fund to be used as long as the gifts are nominal in cost. This practice is recommended to be limited. Cash or cash equivalent gifts, such as gift certificates, gift cards, shouldn't be given unless they are added to the employee's W-2 form for IRS issues. They want to know how much you have made so they can tax it. Special circumstances for students or staff members. A big recommendation here is to have an outside group such as the PTA take on handling the fundraising and coordination of the gift giving, and have a local bank handle the collected funds. That way you don't have to take it through your bookkeeping department. Thank you for your attention.